Hi guys, I want to buy a kitchen cabinet and I heard that you guys are the best. Do you have any recommendations for me?
Of course, we have a lot of packages, and let me introduce our first packages, which is the Solid Plywood Modern series. So for the first packages, this is the Solid Plywood Japanese Modern series. Our packages included both upper cabinet and bottom cabinet. Both the cabinet are 7 feet, and also the countertops are included. You can choose either the quartz material or sintered stone material for your preference. So in these packages, we also include a lot of freebies. So it's gonna be like the dish rack, spice rack, and cutlery tray, and even the stainless steel sink. And also we have our special freebies, which is the soft close hinge. So all these freebies and upper bottom cabinet combined together only cost you 7,999 ringgit in these packages. So for the Solid Plywood series, we have another series which is the European style kitchen cabinet series. As you can see, very beautiful, very classical. Okay, this costs you 9,999 in September now.
Wow, those are very attractive packages. But what if I want aluminum kitchen cabinets? Do you guys have that options?
Of course, we have the aluminium kitchen cabinet series for your option, and you also can choose from 3G, 4G until 5G series. Firstly, for the 3Z kitchen aluminium cabinet series, we're going to cost you about upper cabinet 7 feet, bottom cabinet 7 feet. It's only going to cost you about 8,999 ringgit with including all the freebies, just like I mentioned, the stainless steel sink, the pull-out tray, gas tray, dish rack, spice rack, anything like that. So when it comes to the 4G aluminium kitchen cabinet series, we're going to call it the glass door design. As you can see this, the glass door design is very smooth, the texture is very clean, and also you can choose a lot of colors. In these packages also, the upper cabinet, bottom cabinet, both 7 feet, including all the freebies, you're going to get it under with 9,999 ringgit only. So when it comes to 5G series, we have the 5G full aluminium kitchen cabinet door in these packages. So you can see, this is the full aluminium kitchen cabinet door, and the interior also is SCP, and of course if you want to customize to full aluminium also can. These packages included also as the same packages, we have the upper cabinet 7 feet, bottom cabinet 7 feet, all the freebies are included, countertops also included. Guess how much? You can get this only with 11,999 ringgit. So a lot of people are gonna ask, hey, this package is only like this, man. What if I want to customize? No problem. You can see behind me, this is just now the Solid Plywood Modern series, but some customers, some clients love to have a tall height cabinet and even the arc style of the cabinet. All like these details of the shape and style we can customize for you to match your needs and desires.
Wow, those packages are practical and has good value. Now I am confident to buy my kitchen cabinets with you.
Okay, after hearing all that information about our packages in this month, September 2024, are you interested in buying kitchen cabinet with us? If still not, let me show you what else we can offer. For AmpQuartz, we also have amazing car pantry. For example, we have over 1,000 plus of designs and material for you to customize your own ideal kitchen cabinet. And we also have very professional, dedicated cabinet consultant. So when you come to us, consult with our dedicated cabinet consultant, you will be provided up to 3 times of free 3D drawings, and this is for you to ensure that our design and material suits your every need and desires. And after your installation is completed, you will get about 2 hours of free cleaning service. So if you say, hey, kitchen cabinet very expensive, but no worries, we provide you up to 24 months of installment with 0% of interest to ensure that you won't have any cash flow problem, but also you can bring home your ideal kitchen cabinet.
Finally, remember to visit us at Taman Gaya to lock down the price now with us, as the price of renovation costs are keep increasing due to the supply chain and the economy of Malaysia. Act now.